Sometimes people come up to me and they say, okay, I've been in real estate almost 40 years, and they say, okay, what's the one thing I need to know? What's the one thing I need to know? I'm a new agent. What do I do first? And I said, learn your objection handlers. If you don't know what to say when an objection comes up, you can't close deals.
Hey, look, I want you to do whatever makes you feel comfortable, but here's two things I want you to think about. Number one, mortgage rates are at a historically lowest we've ever seen them, right? And that contributes to your buying power. So we know for every 1% change in the mortgage rate, that increases or decreases your buying power by 10% or more at times. And then the second thing, Monica, is if you continue to wait, you're making somebody else rich. How much longer do you want to pay somebody else's mortgage? How much longer do you want to make somebody rich? So no matter what's going on, those two things are a fact. So what do you want to do? Do you want to continue to wait and pay 10% more and have 10% less buying power when this all blows over? Or do you want to do the right thing and move forward now?
As an agent, it's important that I share this with you so you make the right decision for you and your family. The price right now is extraordinary great for your family. 3 months, 6 months from now, I don't know. With 1 out of 4, there's a lot of forbearance going on. I can't predict the future. I know you probably have thought about it too, so we know what we have right now is an excellent opportunity for you to net the most money.
We'll list it at your price at this commission rate. And after 30 days, if we don't have an accepted offer, we're going to drop the price and we'll write this right in the agreement to here, and we're going to increase the commission to here. And they're like, what? I said, well, you want to test the market. So I'm willing to do that. And we'll do that at what I would normally charge to handle the sale of the home for you. If we get to 30 days though, because you tested the price and I've got time invested, we're going to raise the commission amount and then we'll drop the price to here. And we're going to agree to that number, both those numbers tonight.
I can appreciate that you want to take the time to think about it, but Monica, don't you feel that I can get your home sold? Then Let's go ahead, Monica, and do the right thing and put me to work. Boom, put the pen in front of it. I need to sleep on it. I completely appreciate that you want to sleep on it. But Monica, let me explain. My second check down is, that's exactly why my organization offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Why don't you go ahead and sign now? Take the night to sleep on it. If you wake up tomorrow and you feel for any reason, I'm not the best fit to get your home sold. Actually, let me take it one further. I'm going to go ahead and leave the lockbox here, give you the code to the lockbox. And if you still feel that, keep the lockbox as a gift from me to you. Does that sound fair? Sign here. What level do you want to play this business at? What kind of career do you want to have? And for the people that are taking this seriously, they're trying to get a competitive advantage, right? And by competitive advantage, it's sitting right in your script book, right? It's sitting right in that script book and it's right there for you. Just got to take the time to practice.